Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Nirmal. Just like in our own homes, our Windows 10 PCs can become very cluttered with worthless files and registry entries over a period of time. So, just like we need to perform spring cleaning on our homes every now and then, we need to do the same for our PCs. To do that, I'll be demonstrating a piece of software that can do just that called CCleaner. It comes in both free and professional versions, in which the Pro offers more features for a cost. However, I'll be showing the free version as its available features are more than enough for most computer users. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install this piece of software and also how to use its two primary functions. One, to scan your computer's hard drive for useless files that can be removed safely, and number two, how to clean your computer's registry and optimize it. The computer's registry is a vital part of your Windows 10 installation, and optimizing that can give you a better computing experience. So without further ado, let's go over to my Windows 10 PC and get started. All right, I'm in front of my Windows 10 PC, and I'm going to begin by opening up my web browser and navigating to www.CCleaner.com. Once there, we have the option to get either the Pro version or the free download, and I'm going to choose free download. And here they show you the differences between both editions. And I'm going to click on the green download button to proceed. And again, they show you the comparison table again between the editions. And I'm going to go down and again select free download. So the download will just begin. And there's already finished. And I'm going to click to launch it. So now that I have the installer, I'm just going to exit out of my web browser. Okay, the installation wizard's begun, and I'm going to leave everything as default and just click the blue install button. And they give you an option to download their own browser, and I'm going to decline that, so just hit this button, and it's just installing the software now. And it's finished. I don't want to view the release notes, I just want to launch the program. And the program started up. Upon launching CCleaner, you'll see there are different options you can select on the left-hand side, the top one being health check, which is already pre-selected for you. So let's go ahead and click on Next. And we'll be clicking it a few times. And that's ready to begin the health check. CCleaner is telling me that it has 7 trackers to remove and about 1.2 gigabytes of space, which is a substantial amount. And the speed and security tabs are locked into their Pro edition. I'm not going to click the Make It Better option because the software will automatically clean these trackers and junk. What I like to do instead is go over to the Custom Clean tab. And the reason I prefer this tab is I'm able to see all the applications that CCleaner can detect and is able to clean from. So these are the Windows applications, and then here are the third-party applications that CCleaner can clean from. And I also like this tab because, as you can see, I'm able to select each individual component of each application that I want to be cleaned or not. Let's suppose, just as an example, I don't want CCleaner to empty my recycle bin because there are some files there I'm thinking about whether or not yet to remove. So I can always unselect that, and when I hit the Analyze button and later the Run Cleaner button, it won't touch anything that doesn't have a check mark in it. But I'll just reselect this again and leave everything as default and click on the Analyze button. And again, they're telling me the same information in the health check. There's about 1.2 gigabytes to be removed. And also, I like this report menu because it's telling me how many files can be removed and how much space they're all taking up together. So it gives me a much more detailed analysis than the health check tab. Once I see that all the files here are junk and I do not need them, I'll just hit the Run Cleaner button and CCleaner will erase them from my PC. It's just telling me one more time that these will be deleted. Just one final warning before I hit the Continue button. There we go, the cleaning process is completed, and I've saved about 1.2 gigabytes on my PC's hard drive. Not bad at all. The last option I'll be demonstrating in CCleaner is the Registry Cleaner. Now, the registry in your Windows 10 PC usually gets cluttered up due to uninstalling programs, and then some residual files are left behind which are not removed by Windows. And that's what CCleaner will clean up instead. So I made sure everything's selected, and I'm going to click on Scan for Issue. And it's telling me that 26 issues were found on my PC's registry. When I scroll down, I can see they tell me what the problem is, the data, and the registry key. So let me just click on Review Selected Issues. And now they prompt me to back up my registry before making changes. And I always recommend hitting yes, because the registry is a very important component in your PC. So I'm just going to save it to my Documents folder, and I can always restore it in case anything happens to this registry. So they tell me I am able to review each and every individual of the problem in my registry. And I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to hit Fix All Selected Issues, and it's fixed all of them in just one go. And that is how you can use CCleaner to optimize and clean up your registry. Thank you so much for watching my video about CCleaner. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. And if you have the time, please also hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be creating more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.
Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.